Want to turn on the Wake on Wrist Raise feature on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can quickly check the time or notifications just by lifting your wrist. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on Wake Up Wrist Raise on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Through the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down again. Tap the Wake on Wrist Raise switch to turn the feature on or off. Method 2. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone now. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab from the bottom. Now tap Display and Brightness. Tap on Always On. Tap the Wake Up Wrist Raise switch to turn the feature on or off. So folks, these are the ways to turn on Wake on Wrist Raise on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.